So, why we miss the old days? You know, not everything modern is better. Today's homes are built fast. Everything has straight lines, flat walls, and called minimalism. Unfortunately, it's too minimal. But old homes, they were designed with soul. That's why, as a designer, we are always saying that oldies are goldies. They had features that made you feel something, a sense of warmth, welcome, and permanence. Things like arched doorways, wainscoting, built-in bookshelves, fireplaces, cozy corners, window seats, all of these made a house feel like a home. And that's what today's episode is for. Hi everyone, my name is Ceylan. I am an interior designer and architect here in Dubai, over 10 years experience. Today, I want to take you on the journey through 15 timeless home features that deserves comeback. Actually, they have to come back. Features that were forgotten in the race to be modern, but they were never outdated. Number 1. Grand entryways and foyers. The forgotten first impression. In older homes, the moment you walked through the door, there was a moment of arrivals. You weren't thrown straight into the living room or kitchen. You entered through a foyer, a transitional space. This was where the people greeted guests, removed coats, and mentally shifted from the outside world to home. Why it matters today creates a sense of boundary between public and private space, elevates the home's architecture without requiring massive square meters, perfect for layering materials, tiles, wall paneling, and lighting. So, as the modern ways to bring it back, add glass partitions or steel framed doors. Use distinctive floor tiles to mark the foyer zone. Add built-in benches or console tables for warmth. Number 2. Arched doorways and windows. The elegance of curves. Arches are timeless. They soften space, add elegance, and create the flow. Unfortunately, modern homes replace them with square frames. Simple, but sometimes a bit cold. Arches gives your home rhythm and balance. They worked beautifully in both modern, classic, and minimal Japanese style. So, why it matters? It breaks the boxy look of modern architecture, naturally draws the eye upwards, making spaces feel taller. Instantly elevates even a small hallway. So, how to bring it back? You can easily create a drywall or gypsum arches between living and dining spaces. Use arch windows to bring natural light with softness. Paint arcs in contrasting tones to highlight the shape. Number 3. Pocket doors and French doors. Creates flexible flow. Before open plans took over, pocket and French doors allowed spaces to be both open and intimate. A pocket door disappears into the wall, saving floor space. French doors let light pass through while maintaining separation. So, why it matters? It improves flexibility in floor plans, perfect for multifunctional spaces, helps with temperature, noise, and privacy control. So, how we can bring it back? Use black framed French doors for a modern twist. Frosted glass adds elegance with privacy. Add soft close sliding system for smooth operation. Number 4. Built-in shelving and niches, which makes walls functional. In the past, walls was not dead spaces. They had characters, built-ins, and bookcases, niches with lighting, and clever storaging. So, why it matters? It reduces clutter by creating hidden storage, turns walls into features, enhances resale value and customization. So, how we can bring it back? You can easily add fluted oak panels with LED strips, fluting shelving with integrated cabinets, minimal lines for a modern classic balance. Number 5. Wood paneling and wainscoting, which layers of character. Wainscoting, trim work, and wall panels. Old homes were built with craftsmanship. Every wall had some layers, not like string lights. Today, we can blend these traditional touches with modern simplicity. So, why it matters? It adds visual texture and depth, gives the home a premium, tailored look. It also protects walls from wear. As a modern tips, paint trims the same color as the wall for subtlety. Use MDF or PVC for budget-friendly elegance. Mix fluted panels with classic square trims. Number 6. Decorative ceilings. The fifth wall. Ceilings used to be celebrated. Beams, coffers, and medallions. They gave rooms a crown. Unfortunately, today so many ceilings are plain. So why it matters? Adds vertical drama and character. Defines zones in open plans. It also makes lighting installations stand out. So, how we can bring it back? Gypsum covers with LED strips, ceiling medallions around pendant lighting, wooden beams in neutral tones. Number 7. Sunrooms and indoor gardens, which brings nature inside. In older villas, sunrooms were everyday luxury. Just imagine a place to sip morning coffee, feel sunlight, and relax. Unfortunately, today modern homes are skipping this entirely. So, why it matters? It increases natural light exposure, boosts mood and wellness, blends indoor and outdoor living. So, how we can bring it back? Add skylights or glass walls to existing spaces. Create indoor garden corners with potted greenery. Use light curtains and rattan furniture. Number 8. Fireplaces, the soul of the living room. Even in warm climates, fireplaces create a focal point, a gathering spot. It's not just about heat, it's about atmosphere. So, why it matters? It creates a cozy anchor for living spaces. It also adds a touch of luxury. Can be adapted to modern homes with electric units. As a modern tips, use linear electric fireplaces for a sleek look. Use marble or lime wash mantles for timeless charm. Also, subtle LED lighting for ambience. Number 9. Checkerboard floors. Iconic underfoot. Checkerboard floors are one of those designs that never truly disappeared because they are iconic. From grand foyers to cozy kitchen, they have always had presence. So, why it matters? It adds instant drama and style. It works across interior styles, modern and vintage, Scandinavian and classic. It creates visual rhythm without loud colors. So, how we can bring it back? Use marble tiles for a luxury effect, vinyl or ceramic for budget-friendly renovation. Keep grout thin and color matched for elegance. Number 10. Statement doors and hardware. Details matters. Old doors were never just slabs of MDF. They were carved, solid and heavy, with handles that felt special. Unfortunately, today everything looks same. So why it matters? It elevates the entrance experience, adds heritage, character even to new builds. A great way to make a small change with a big impact. So how we can bring it back? You can easily upgrade handles and knobs to brass or matte black. Refinish existing doors with panel detailing. You can also add arch or height to create grandeur. Number 11 and 15. Quick nostalgia round. Little details with big impact. Here are 5 more old features that brings timeless soul to home. Butler's pantries and service doors. Elegant transitions between kitchen and dining. Stained glass windows. Play of light and color. Thick baseboards and crown moldings. Instant architectural presence. Window seats. It gives cozy corners to read and daydream. Vintage lighting fixtures. Brass, crystal, and ceramic. Statement pieces that last generations. So, ask yourself why old features still matter. Here is the truth. Good design never really disappears. It just waits for us to notice it again. These old features made home warm, beautiful, and deeply personal. And when you mix them with modern simplicity, the result is incredible. I hope this inspires you to rethink your renovation plan and maybe bring back a little bit of soul into your space. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. Which timeless home features would you bring back into your dream home? Thank you so much for watching and see you on next time.